Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Laza Chrome Nail Powder, which has been getting a lot of attention for being the best gold nail powder on the market. If you're looking to elevate your nail art to the next level with a stunning mirror effect, this product might be exactly what you need. Now, what makes this chrome nail powder so special? First off, the Laza Chrome Nail Powder delivers a gorgeous, glossy mirror effect on your nails. It's ultra-fine and lightweight, which makes application smooth and seamless. Unlike other chrome powders that can be gritty, this one applies effortlessly, giving you that sleek, shiny finish without any graininess. It's perfect for achieving a high shine, metallic look that's going to turn heads. One of the best things about this product is its versatility. The Laza Chrome Nail Powder works with UV gel nails, acrylics, and even natural nails, making it an ideal choice whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner trying out your first DIY gel polish. Plus, it pairs wonderfully with other nail art elements like chameleon flakes, water ripple patterns, or even 3D shell designs. Whether you're going for something simple or a bit more creative, this powder will allow you to bring your nail art ideas to life. Each jar comes with 1 gram of this beautiful bright gold pigment, which is more than enough for multiple uses. And, the packaging is carefully sealed to prevent any mess, so you don't have to worry about your powder spilling out. The jar is compact, easy to store, and it includes a sponge stick for applying the powder, making the entire process even more convenient. Now, let's talk about how you can use this chrome powder at home. To get that perfect glazed chrome effect, all you need is a UV or LED lamp, a no-wipe top coat, and of course, your Laza Chrome Nail Powder. The application process is simple, and even if you're new to nail art, the instructions included make it easy to follow. In just 6 simple steps, you'll be able to create stunning chrome nails that look like they came from a professional salon. But the best part? The results are long-lasting. Once you've applied the chrome powder and sealed it with a top coat, your nails will shine for days without fading or chipping. It's the perfect way to make sure your manicure stays looking fresh and glossy for longer. If you're looking to add some sparkle and shine to your nail routine, this product is a must-try. It's affordable, easy to use, and the results are absolutely stunning. And remember, Laza has great customer service, so if you run into any issues or have questions, they're quick to offer solutions and make sure you're completely satisfied. So there you have it, folks. The Laza Chrome Nail Powder is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve that gorgeous mirror effect on their nails. Whether you're into DIY nail art or you just want to add a touch of gold to your next manicure, this powder is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty product reviews. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.